Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to change your Gmail address. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright, now head over to your Play Store and then click into your profile, and then you want to click into settings and then select general, and then in the second option select account and device preferences. Wait for this to load, and where it says your current email address, click on change contact email, and it's a matter of putting in your new email address here. So for the purpose of this video, I'll change this to my other email address. I'll click on save, and then it says here verification email sent. To verify that this email address to you, check tutorials27@gmail.com for an email with the subject verify your Google account contact email address. Alright, click on understood, and now head over to your new, or that email address that you changed it to, and find that email. I'll go ahead and do that now. Alright, I'm in that email account. Google, verify your Google account. Okay, scroll down. I'm going to click on verify contact email. And there you go, it's been changed to that. So if I head back into the Play Store, go back, and now click into account and device preferences. There you go, that's my new email address and it's been verified. Alright, I hope you guys understood the video. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it. Cheers.